Hi, my name is Errielle and this is my YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing the anticipated Fenty Skin collection. I'm doing a little something different. I feel like skincare is not the same thing as makeup. So I'm gonna actually do a process of using it for a whole month. And then telling you my thoughts. Makeup, you could tell right away. No, yes, but skincare, you can't really tell. I already opened the box, but I'm gonna have a big surprise for y'all. I got the bundle and that was about $75. The value was $88, so you get a little cheaper if you get the bundle. At the moment it's sold out now. I don't know when I post this if it will change or will be sold out again. So we're gonna start off with the Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. It claims to hybrid clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup removal in one. I have makeup on, so the ingredients itself seem a lot of fruits, a lot of extracts. It's not actually a heavy smell, but it is a fragrance. Oh wow, smell it. Oh, it smells nice, but I don't know how you'll feel about like that kind of fragrance on your, and it feels tacky. It feels like cleanser, like a normal cleanser. I've been hearing a lot of thoughts about the whole fragrance thing. People wish it was non-fragrance because a lot of people are fragrance sensitive on their skin. I'm not. I'm just really acne prone, and that's just usually from diets, my health, drinking water, vitamins I take. So I'm curious how this is gonna, if I actually do have like a sensitivity to fragrance. This is 4.9 ounces. Then we're gonna use the toner. I use Witch Hazel. So I kind of like the thought of a toner that's a little more, it's like a toner and serum. I use toner and I use a serum. I like the little clicky thing. It's so cute. Applicator is so weird though. I'm just not used to this. Ooh, I like how it feels. Then last but not least, the Hydra Visor. It has SPF in it, 30 sunscreen. It is 1.7 ounces. A replaceable cartridge if you want to get more lotion and more sunscreen. So you just take this little thing and then that's it. And then you guys, oh wow, it came out. This smells like the toner. I will be back with water in my face, and then we're just gonna do it on camera. And I need a hair tie. So I just wanted to show you how it looks when I lather. And this is pretty much all my makeup that came off. It feels clean, but it feels moisturizing at the same time, like not fully stripped. Toner now, fat water. This is the thing I'm most excited about. I'm a little heavy-handed with it. It feels like it doesn't feel like a toner. It feels like I put a serum on. Going to do Fenty moisturizer. 1.5 pumps. It smells like candy. Altogether, it smells like, end up smelling like candy. And that's it. It's not a white film, which a lot of sunscreens give. I feel moisturized, but I don't look too shiny. Like sometimes when people do their face routine, when I do my face routine, I look shiny. I'm curious to see the benefits, or if it makes my skin better or worse or the same. I could kind of actually skip a step with this kind of toner. I feel like every product in this is something you can add to your skin routine. I like it. I like it. So far, so good. See you in a month. Okay, the first week of me using the Fenty Skin care line, no big difference. It's the first week. What do you expect? Second week, I noticed a little bit more of minimizing of my dark spots and a little bit of my smaller pimples. And I like that. Third week, I was going through my period and my hormonal breakout was horrible. My chins, my cheeks, even on my body. There was nothing I could do. That sucks. Fourth week, I noticed a big difference and my skin started to even up a little bit. One side of my cheeks was losing less of the dark spots I always have, and I like that. And my pimple on my chin was drying out, and the pimple on my cheek was pretty much gone. It just needed the dark spots to be gone. So, recap of a month later after using the Fenty Skin line, and my thoughts and my opinions for each one from week 1, 2, 3, 4. I will say, thinking about the overall, my review of it, I think this is the best kind of line for a beginner, someone who does not have a regimen, someone who doesn't have a routine already. There were some ups and downs, but it was mostly because it was my period, and I do get pimples when I get periods, especially I never haven't gotten a cheek pimple since ever, and last time I had one was because I had my period. The best thing this Rihanna could do for her line is add more to the collection. Something for oily skin, something for acne prone skin, because I am acne prone. Someone for dry, oil, and acne prone skin, sensitive skin, you know, for no fragrance, no oils, something that could, I feel like knowing Rihanna from her Fenty Beauty line, I feel like she makes gradual steps. Because I remember when Fenty Beauty came out and people they thought the eyebrows, lipstick, everything was going to come out at the same time, and no. She came out with foundation, not even a concealer, not even an eyebrow thing. She came out with foundation, contour sticks, and like highlighters. And people like, where's the rest of this? And then she just gradually, I feel like she takes her time because it's like she's learning with the process. Unlike some people just throw stuff out there. But overall, I feel like this line is perfect for a beginner. Someone like, even at one point me, I didn't know what the hell to do with my skin, but I figured it out. I do like the toner because it's not as intense as witch hazel is, but it does have witch hazel. So if you want something like that, but you want a little more muted version, I think fat water is actually a good thing. The cleanser, the SPF, it just does what it does. It's a nice moisturizer, it's a nice cleanser. I feel like this is a very nice flat line. I'm newly concerned about my skin regimen. Let me start off with something that's, for me, affordable. Especially with the ingredients it has, I feel like this is a good start off, not going all over the place with serums, witch hazel, cleansers, moisturizers, and this, and this, and this, and that, and rose water, and this, and this, and this. I feel like this is a good starter. But I feel like knowing Rihanna, there's gonna be more to this. She's not gonna release a line like a company franchise. Fenty Skin just only have 3 things. No, not going up. I think this is great for beginners. I give it a 7 out of 10, only because if you have oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, and acne prone skin, you want something a little more with certain acids and certain ingredients in it. It's not everything's a one fits all kind of thing, but I feel like give it time. Rihanna, you know it's Rihanna, give it time. It's gonna be way more to this. I remember with the foundation, I thought it was perfect, and then she came out with a hydrating Okay, didn't realize this could get any better, but it did. Very good beginner, starter, nice kit, nice set. If you have something that works for you, then it works for you. But if you're really just a person who don't really worry about makeup, face stuff, then this is actually a good start for anyone. And that's my thoughts for the Fenty Skin line. And like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. If you ever tried it, tell me what you think. Was it good? Was it bad? Was it will be more videos coming shortly and soon. E-Tank phone home. I'm going home. I'm already home, but I'm about to go in this bed and go to sleep. Peace. Come again.